Hello friends, this video we will explore Freddie Mercury's haunts in London, their homes, the place where Queen first performed, the places that inspired his music and more. Watch the video to the end. I hope you enjoy this Queen's walking tour. This show, at the Imperial College where Brian May studied mathematics and physics during the formation of the band, was their first public performance under the new name Queen. Bieber was a fashion store. In the spring of 1970, Freddie Bulsara and Roger Taylor, two friends, always used to went there to see what it was fashion trend. On one of these trips to it, Freddie Mercury met one of the boutique consultants, Mary Georgina Austin, his future girlfriend. This pub was frequented a lot by Freddie Mercury in the 70s. It is said that he was inspired to compose the famous song, "We Are the Champions," in the downstairs bar, the Mercury Lounge. In August 1969, Freddie moves in with his friends in Kensington. Freddie continues to travel back and forth between his parents' house and his fine arts school at Ealing College, but finds a second home with his friends Paul Humberston and Chris Smith, who rent an apartment at 42B Addison Gardens in Kensington. This was the first Freddie Mercury Kensington house, which he fell in love with the area. Shortly after meeting, Mary and Freddie moved into a small, old-fashioned flat near Kensington Market. This very flat would become the birthplace of Freddie's masterpiece, Bohemian Rhapsody. It's also where, in 1973, Doug Pudderfoot organized the band's first photo shoot. Several of those photos graced the back of their debut album. Despite his growing career, Freddie remained committed to Mary. He proposed to Mary in 1974, and she accepted. However, their union would never come to fruition.
Shrouded in the vibrant foliage of London's Kensington lies Garden Lodge, a majestic Victorian residence that became Freddie Mercury's final haven. Equally, seeking refuge from the relentless spotlight, Freddie moved into this grand townhouse in 1985. His wasn't just a home, it became a vibrant creative hub.
Boasting its own recording studio, Garden Lodge has many last songs ever recorded by Freddie. This was sadly the last Freddie Mercury house London. Lived in by Mary Austin and recently sold in 2024. If you like this kind of videos, let me know in the comments. More amazing videos like this are on my channel. Thanks for watching.